because only with this video, kabaho metomaka na share button. A lot of people na attack him so many places. Why they should actually do something about arresting Ijele. You don't want to say something. Can you fish or come or not make people enough? Haven't I said enough? I've almost said everything. I've practically said everything we need surrounding this. If any name na Facebook, all this why. It's just that no decided to use Ijele as a bait. Uno should use Ijele as a bait. Uno wait to stay the waters. It's not that no one like Ijele or no believe in Ijele with that almighty somebody that nobody can touch. I am not saying that he is not anywhere. But what I'm saying is that no one just decide that uno use Ijele as a bait. Uno should use Ijele as a trap. Uno should use Ijele as a specimen for your practicals. Not that no one African. Not that no they wish you well. I put it to you, all those people who share Ijele up. I put it to you that now all of you now, almost 70% of you now, almost 70% of you now more queer. Another more care that na gunu melo no more care because abnishon I like here. Ijele has never been your favorite person. You have never loved Ijele before, and some of you are not even planning to do so now. So, what is all those noise on Facebook all about? So, if Ijele wasn't arrested, you will not learn how to do the right thing. So, na arrest Ijele. You hear me the right thing. Until I arrest Ijele, you will malo if he made wrong. I understand the mentality in the buy sometimes. I understand the mentality in the buy sometimes. Okay, kita if you go na arrest Ijele. Kita if you go that Ijele can be arrested. Is it time now for you to begin to mind yourself? Is it time for you to begin to trade with caution? After how quiet social media do today. After how quiet social media do this afternoon. And this will serve as a lesson to other bloggers. Ride on, ride on, ride on, ride on. Today, Ijele has been arrested. Ijele ye juwe kuloya. Ijele ye juwe make case. Ijele ye spend the way sniff apota. Who his personal money. Don't even expect that people will come together to bring anyone kobo or anyone pin. It is on your head. So, agwalomono, isi mano ye bunyo gidi, buo gidi. Mananke mano ye bunyo gidi. Stay away because time for sympathy has gone. Time for sympathy has gone. Imalo na ahwesi hoike. Ima na ahwaka ohaka. Ima na ekwado ha akwado. Imalo na edo hoke na ado. Stay away from trouble. It is Ijele today. Lucky enough, Ijele may have one or two things to do to get away from this. But what of you? What of Ngoma? What of Ngoma? If you find yourself in the position Ijele find the way today. Look, in this country, nobody is above the law in this country. Nobody is overpowerful in this country. Be you who. Be you who. Also called president, you will later one day leave power. Another person will take power. Another person will take power. Mani decide the nation Guinea case. Manoni ye demi feji case. If feji case 1, iye nwego 2, iye nwe mmado. Iye nwego nwe mmado. Inwe hogode ego, inwe mmado. Inwe mmado, inwe ego. Yes. Ito wo hosisi. Ito wo hosisi. Emahodo shaman umunno. Epita na Facebook, na bamba. Na agbato siono. Enable a lot of things. Enable allegation do unthinkable. Ajuoro equal go and arrest Ijele. Go and arrest Paralam Mock News. Unu jizi people wele me practical. Unu jizi people wele me specimen. Unu na run zi behind people. Wele me specimen. This is a warning to so many. This is a lesson to so many content creators. Decided no matter. Kunu ye ju wele create content. Decided no. Nunu ye take advantage of this okudu between Ndoka and Omenala. We wolie, we na-ete mmadụ unyi na poti n'ihu. Say what you can prove. Talk about people. I can nature takwalo ni fa balance media kuru. Abalance say una talking about people, which is what we do, is different from Igbo mmadụ allegation. Eba he ya no kwa na eme video mmadụ ya no kwa na comment section na say Ebuka Obi is a criminal. Ebuka Obi is a thief. Go and arrest Udele. Go and arrest Ijele. Ijele is bigger than all of you. Ijele is bigger than all of you. Today, when Ode quiet social media space today, Afubonya, Afodunyamba arrested that the GO. Afodunyamba arrested that the GO. The only lock here when a very good defense he put up. Now arrest ya. Oni will go, he will Ijije lawyer of any level of lawyer needed, depending on the level of case he will. Oni will people will respond. Get to your head and arrest you. If you don't have all these things, man on a Facebook, then you got him photo. Afaro sorry. Afaro sorry. Afaro sorry. Ona like Ijele. You people just wanted to sacrifice him at the altar of Ndi Omenala Zuku stroke Ndoka. Not that no like it yet. Ono na moya amune family. Ono na moya amune family. And I honestly hope that he has what it takes to put up a defense. That he has what it takes to work his way out. Arrest Abli mother and arrest Ablo next sentence to go to prison. I still maintain my stand that arrest is a legal means. Two people then we issue. When they kiss you, we be together, settle war. If I don't know, but it doesn't just end there. You must be prepared and you must be ready. You must be equipped to go through it, depending on the Ebe Osiwe Pata. Zone 7 and Zone 10, Abloko, Zone 13, or Zone 9. Or Blodu CPS Newi, or Hoko Area Command in Newi, and Oho State CID Oka. Be warned and be very careful. Learn a lesson. Learn a lesson. Learn a lesson today. Don't wait until the day your experience teach you better. Don't wait till the day your experience teach you better. Don't even wait to learn from your own experience. Don't wait to learn from your own experience. I am not saying that na arrest Emelu Ijele, that it is what or what, but I am telling you, today is Ijele. Ijele may have what it takes to go and come out with that. But what of you? If you fight, imagine yourself in the position of Ijele today. You want to go? Now some of you Jeno arrest Ijele, Jeno arrest Ijele. Now that Ijele has been arrested, can you now behave yourself? Have you now seen that if Ijele can be arrested, that you, since you feel that Ijele is that mighty Iroko that cannot be touched, now that you have seen that Ijele has been touched, can you now behave yourself and do the right thing? Like I say, Ijele may have what it takes to go through this. Do you have what it takes to go through it? The answer is no. It might be yes. It might be yes. Stop opening your mind wide to say what you cannot prove. Proving an allegation is not easy. Even defamation of character is not easy. Assassination of character is not easy. It is not easy. It's not easy. And then I say, where is Ezugo Global TV? Ezugo say something about Ijele arrest. It is still me cautioning you people. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Because after the rain comes the storm. After the rain comes the storm. Are you ready for the rain? Not to even talk about the storm. Yes, today is Ijele. Ijele may have what it takes to go through this. He may not. What of you? Do you have what it takes to go through this? Or because, okay, let's say that Ijele self now arrested her today. Does it mean that because now arrest Ijele that you cannot be arrested? Sometimes how our people reason. Sometimes some of us na-eche from ike ha. In echiche from your ike. Ana agwa na ime ifa na now if I with the consequences. And I say, what of onye ni neme? Do you think that your fate can be the same with the fate of that person? Okay, now that you have seen that the obvious has befallen that person in a nejanya, what are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? I will leave you people with one question. Now that Ijele has been arrested, do you think that it is time for you to do the right thing? For you to make a change? For you to behave decently? For you to criticize constructively and with your brain? Secondly, arrest Ijele on a wuteng ezioku ka na azo ye na amoya amo na azo, because I know that you people don't like him. I know that Ijele is not your favorite person. I know you have never been a lover of Ijele. You have never even been a genuine follower of Ijele. And amoya amo today, and amo here today, in a celebrity arrest here, ka arrest here and a wuteng. I want to see what you can be able to do for him today, tomorrow, or to next tomorrow. I don't know whatever that is going on, but I want to see how you can show him love. I want to see how much you can do for him this period only the most. Let many people out there learn a lesson from this. I repeat, nweta ala majiri ndori go ya dorie kachifonu.